am gonna go in here and I don't know if you guys can see those screws. Those screws, 1 and 2. I'm gonna drop the steering column and tighten it all up. And before I get up out of here, I'm gonna go in here also and change all the bulbs to LED. So as you can see, this started to crack. So what I did was I epoxied it with the color coding matching. So now I'm gonna sand it down before I put everything on. And I'm gonna change this out while I'm here in here also. So, you knock off 5 birds with 1 stone. Not 2, 5.